My name is Brooklyn, and this is my friend Mike. Hello. This is my second time on YouTube, and I'm very excited because my dad might let me make some videos, and we are going to do a toy review on Pet Clouds. My Pet Cloud. With the googly eyes, and luckily you don't have to clean up its poop. It doesn't have any poop. But don't do any of this because it says don't do it. No food, no water, no litter, no mess. Yeah, on it. So we are going to start opening it. Want me to help? Want me to help?
I find it funny when you do it, but when she agrees with it, the way she does.
So luckily, we are both friends, and we go to the same school. If you know our school, it's Rio High Elementary School, and the full name is Jose Rio Haas Elementary. Okay. Oh God! You can't. Okay. It feels soft. It's only at the market there. You cannot get these anymore unless someone else recreates them. Yeah. One of my friends made these for a third grade market day. Yeah. My friend's brother is his friend. Her name is Kaylee. And there's some other kids. And let's talk about how fluffy. So it's probably made out of cotton. Yeah, it seems like it's made out of cotton. Yeah. He must have made a lot of these because these seem like they take a long time. I got one of those too. This is mine. Yeah. He's at my house though. Do you have a name for him? Or maybe we can name him Fluffy. And bye. Goodbye. Hold on.